Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting back on with the Discovery project. I've had a bit of a change around in the garage. I've put my vise over here and I've got some bits ready for doing a bit of metal shaping. I'll show you in the Land Rover what we did last time. It's not pretty, it's not amazing, but it's going to get us through an MOT and keep us on the road for a little bit longer until I can get stuck into the boot floor properly. I'll show you what we've done. So I've cleared the back of the car out completely. I've given it a good sweep out. Boot floor is solid but doesn't look great. This is what I did last week. It's not amazing, but it's solid. Next, I'm going to tackle this side. I'm not going to try and do a channel like I did with this. I'm just going to make it solid. It doesn't have to look pretty, it's just got to get through an MOT. Then we're going to work on this little hole here. Just going to be a case of patching it. I'm going to have to take the wheel off for that side, and then we can get stuck into this grizzly bit here. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is get underneath and clean all the back of this up from the underside, because I'm going to try and weld it from the underneath. Right, so I have made some, I've cleaned it up. I am now going to measure it and start making some template patches. I'll show you underneath. So underneath, I've ground it all up. I am not gonna do like what the factory is. I'm going to make a piece that goes up and across and then slight curves up. That's going to be all welded on, and then I'm going to make a piece that comes down and curves up to that piece, and then it's all going to be welded together just to fill that area in. Not too worried about these holes, because like I say, when I come to do it properly, I am going to cut all this out and hopefully replace the whole rear cross member and the floor, so this will all be new. Yeah, that's the plan anyway. It's all good fun. Right, let's get making these templates out of cardboard. Okay, so under the car I am going to do the repair panel. It's going to go like that. And I think this section looks a little bit, looks alright actually. Right, so my little patch pieces, my little templates are alright, they're working, they look alright. A little bit of minor adjustment on one of them, but the theory is good. I'm going to go ahead and mark these out onto the metal now and start cutting it out, and then we can start shaping it up. That's where the fun starts. Let's get cracking. I've noticed that I say that all the time, let's get cracking. Maybe it could be a new slogan. Let's get cracking. Anyway. Right, now I'm ready to cut this piece out, and then we can start shaping it. Right, that's all cut out. I am now ready to start shaping it. Hopefully it works. I'm going to get my little tapping hammers out and my dollies, and I've got some steel here that I can bend it round, so fingers crossed it all works out nice and perfect. Right, so that's the first patch done. I'm going to get underneath and show you just what I've done and how I've done it. Oh, bloody hell. Is going to go on there like that, and I've cut it so I can angle that up there. So it's going to be about there, and that's going to be welded in like that, and then there's going to be another piece over the top. So now I'm going to mark round it so I know where I'm welding, and I can clean it all up, make sure it's all nice and clean. Right, looking underneath, this is the bit of handiwork that I did. Handy, that's not even stuck. That all needs cleaning up there and welding, and needs a bit of welding doing that. And then we're going to make a piece to go in here. Not quite sure how I'm going to do that. Yeah, not entirely sure how I'm going to do this piece. Just got a little hole there, haven't we? Maybe a angle section. Cut a strip out. I think it was 35mm. 35 centimeters. Right, that is both patches done. I've realised I'm gonna need to do another little patch, like another little Z piece, to go over the top of these patches. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna weld them in, and then I can make the final patch to suit them two new patches, and it should all look quite nice. It seems to be going very smoothly. Yeah, making me uneasy. Right, I'm going to weld these in, and then we'll come back to you when it's all tack welded and sorted out.